So today I took my DJI Air outside and I want to do some master shots, and I think I'm gonna show you all to you. And I'll just put an ND filter on because it's a bit bright outside, bright and cold. And as you can see, the drone is here. Let me show you. And there you go. And yeah, let's take off. And I'm gonna show you all the master shots this drone can do. I think you already know, but it's always better to do. See again. Cool. So let's take off. Went all the way in the sky. It's pretty cold today. Okay, cool. So the first one we're gonna go with is, let's have a look. Let's point the drone towards me. Okay, just 1 second. So here you go, so you can see me. So we're gonna select quick shots, and let's go first of all with Johnny, and we're gonna select, let's say, 50 meters, and let the drone to do the job. It's cold today, so as you can see, the drone is gonna do the journey itself. So I did set 50 meters, so let's see how far the drone will go. It's cold today, it's really cold. So as you can see in the video, he went pretty far, and quick shot is complete, and he's coming back towards the first place from OS end. Okay, cool. Because it's in the middle of nowhere, it's just really good to fly my DJI Air 2S. It's a bit heavy drone, and I don't really want to fly this drone in town. Let's go again with rocket. I think let's get a bit closer, and we're gonna select my car and let's start it. As you can see, it's going up in the sky, and you still can see me and my car. Okay. Again, it's complete, and it's coming back. It's coming back again to the same place. I don't really use this quick shot. Most of the time I'm using journey or circle. Let's try circle now. Same again, we're gonna choose my car. Let's send a bit more. Cool. Yeah. And I think and the drone is gonna fly in a circle. Just want to make sure there's not a lot of cars around. There you go, just a bit more far. There you go. And I think we can start circle. I think this one is gonna take a while because it's quite long circle. And let's see. There you go. It's doing its circle. It's pretty cool. It is the go around, and here you go, it's coming back again to the same place again. Cool. Now it's here. So let's try another quick shot. Let's try with helix. I've heard people on YouTube that said they really like this quick shot, and let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and here you go. So basically with helix you're gonna go around, but same, we're gonna raise the height as well. And yeah, it's a really stunning footage, and it's coming again back to the same place. Really cold. As you can see from the video, it's really stunning. The view, quite nice landscape pictures. Okay, and yeah, let's take another one. So this one is done, and we're gonna choose another one now. Okay, and yeah, it's all done. You always can set like radius, how many meters you want to go. I would say, depending on the location and the field as well, you can go up to, let's say, up to 120 meters. That's quite high. Okay, let's try boomerang. I've never tried this quick shot, so now it's a good time to try it. And let's see how it's gonna work.
2, 1.
There you go. It's moving quite slow for some reason. But let's see. It's getting dark outside now. Okay. You can see the location. It's a bit moving from my screen, as you can see in the video. For some reason it's moved a bit, so as you can see now it's not really set to my car. It's set to a different place. Okay, so now it's coming back. It might not come back to the same place, but let's see. Okay, so as you can see the drone, I think I'm gonna put that out so you can see the drone. I don't know if you can see the drone. Not really, it's a bit too high in the sky. Okay, so this one is done, and let's try another one. I think the last one is called asteroid. So basically we're gonna make a circle, but we're gonna make like a tiny planet. And let's select the car again, and let's start it, and let's see with what result we're gonna end up. Sorry, it's not really a circle. Looks like it's going up in the sky. It's to be honest, I've never used any of them, and sometimes when I'm using them it's only drone on my Mini 3, but with Air OS it's very rare when I'm using them. So yes guys, you've seen that, and I think you enjoy the place as well. It's quite cold today here. Anyway, if you really enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and thumbs up. If you have any questions, please do ask below, and I'm gonna try to reply back to you as soon as I can. But I'm gonna stay a bit more and take some more footages from the drone, maybe some time lapses as well. If the sunset, I think the sunset is gone now. It's a bit cloudy, so it's not really good time to make some time lapses. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.